say I'm. If you know you're going, say I'm going. No matter what they say.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. You're watching Life of Nisha. By the title of this thumbnail, you already know I'm finna be unboxing my first camera. So the one that I'm recording off of now is my iPhone 16. So yeah. Before we get into this video, I need y'all to like, comment, share, tell a friend that your girl has posted once again. So this is the camera that I have, that I actually got. It was like $200, $300, $200 or $300. But this is my first camera. And I already unboxed it, y'all. I already unboxed it. So I'm gonna show y'all what's inside of here. So, got the little camera bag to go with it. And then we got the guide for the camera so I can know what to do and everything, how to record and everything. And then we got the camera. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all, okay. I'm gonna show y'all at the end how the quality is. I like this camera. And this is the camera cover, the camera lens cover. And then we have the USB, so I can charge my camera. Then we have a rechargeable battery for my camera. Yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all again how it actually looks. It has my fingerprints on it actually. Well, it still has the sticker on it as well. But I'm gonna keep that sticker on it. And then I have the card reader. I got this at Target, y'all. This was so high. Got this for, I think, $40-something for this small box. The card reader.
Huh?
I'm like, why does it have to be so high? I got this for my camera so I can plug it into my MacBook. I have a MacBook and an iPad so I can edit my videos and everything. So it's my camera. I'm gonna put it on my my tripod. Hold on, guys. I don't wanna break my nail. Got my camera. This is my camera. So I can look. Okay. The camera, bruh. I finally got a camera, y'all. But yeah, it's pretty cool, But I got mine at Walmart. I was gonna get mine at Best Buy, but the girl work at Walmart, so I just got it there, so I didn't have to, you know. Plus, I got a what you got a discount card, yeah, a discount card. So this camera wasn't that much. It was high, but I had a discount card, so discount cards will actually help you if you actually work at Walmart. So I'm gonna show y'all at the end how the quality is. But that is all, and that's all that came in my camera box. Yeah, got everything, got this, so no dust and stuff won't be on there. I hope that y'all like this video. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.